A warm greetings present over here. I am Dr.E.Kamatchi, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Administration, PG. Today, manufacturing flow systems are the backbone of the efficient production. They coordinate the movement of materials, information, and people, create a seamless, optimized manufacturing process. So, this is the manufacturing process are going on. And the key components of a manufacturing flow system: production planning, materials management, quality control, coordinating the schedule, resources, and workforce to meet demand, ensuring the right materials are available at the right time, maintaining the high standards, and identifying issues quickly. So, the principles of lean manufacturing: eliminate waste, continuous improvement, employee empowerment, just in time production. So, eliminate waste, identify the and remove the non-value added activities throughout the process. Constantly seek ways to enhance efficiency and quality. Employee empowerment, engage workers to identify and solve problems on the shop floor. Just-in-time production, manufacturing products only as they needed, reducing inventory. Optimizing material flow system: plan, implement, and monitor. So plan, determine the optimal flow of materials through the production process. Implement, execute the material flow plan, adjusting as needed. Monitor, continuously track on and measure the manufacturing, identify the improvements. Implementing the pull based production, reduce the inventory. Pull systems only produce what is needed and minimizing excess stock. Responsive to demand, changes in customer demand are quickly reflected in production. Improved efficiency, pull systems eliminate waste and streamline the manufacturing process. Enhanced quality, immediate feedback allows for rapid quality control and improvement. Reducing waste and improving efficiency, eliminate overproduction, optimize transportation, standardize process, empower employees. And also they only produce what is needed and when is needed. And second thing, optimize transportation, minimize the movement of materials, people, and information. To standardize the process, to establish consistent repeatable procedures to reduce the variability. Optimize production, minimize the movement of materials, people, and information. Empower employees, standardize the process, establish consistent repeatable procedures to reduce the variability. Empower employees, to encourage workers to identify the address and inefficiency. Measuring and monitoring flow system, lead time from order take delivery, and also the work in progress, inventory of reduced in unfinished goods, and first pass yield, products meeting quality on first try. So that is also the maximize. Lead time, time from order to delivery, minimize work in progress, and first pass yield, inventory of unfinished goods to reduce the waste, and also the first pass yield, products meeting quality and first try, maximizing the products. Continuous improvement in manufacturing flow, identify the opportunities, implement changes, and measure results. Identify the opportunities, analyze the data, engage employees to find areas for improvement, implement changes, yes, and execute solution to enhance the manufacturing. Track the impact of changes and make the further as needed. measure results, track the impact changes, and make further as needed. Thank you.